Hello students, in this video we will be solving the last problem of exercise 7.3. It says a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. If we have a triangle ABC here, okay, and it says there is a median, which means it will be right in the center. So what a median does, it not only divides this segment BC into two equal parts, but it also divides the entire area of this big triangle ABC into two equal areas. Using coordinate geometry formula that we have learned for area of triangle, we need to prove that a median does exactly the same. That is, a median divides the triangle into equal areas, okay, into two triangles of equal areas. For that, we'll have to get the area of triangle of this part plus area of triangle of this part, and then compare to see whether the area of triangle, let's give this name D, area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. If that is the case, then we verify this statement which says a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. First we need to do is list down A, B, C, and the next part will be to find out the coordinate of D, because it is important to know D, because without D we can't find out area of triangle ADB and ADC. To find out the coordinates of D is easy, because a median divides a line segment BC into equal parts. That means D becomes the midpoint of BC. And we can use the midpoint formula to find out the coordinates for D. Let us first begin with what has been given. Solution. So we say in triangle ABC, let AD be the median with D as the midpoint of BC. So if we had to find the midpoint of D, so midpoint of BC, that would be coordinates of D, and that would correspond to x, we'll give this as name x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So that would be x2 plus x3 upon 2 comma y2 plus y3 upon 2. That is the midpoint formula. Recall, we have done it previously as well. The midpoint formula is the x coordinates are added up together, whole thing upon 2, and the y coordinates are added up together of the two vertices and added divided by 2. So we get x2 is positive 3 and x3 is positive 5. So 3 plus 5 upon 2 comma y2 is negative 2 and y3 is positive 2 upon 2. So we get 8 upon 2 comma minus 2 plus 2 gives us 0 upon 2. So that gives us 2 on the 2, 2 4 is 8, 4 comma 0. So the coordinates here are 4 comma 0. I'll write down all the coordinates here. This would be 4 comma minus 6. This would be 5 comma 2, and this would be 4 comma negative 6. Sorry, that is B, 3 comma negative 2. Yeah. So we found the coordinates for D. Now let's move to finding the area of the two triangles. So area of triangle, and this will give we'll give this name. So this would be your x1 y1 x2 y2, this would be x3 y3 and this would be x4 y4. So it won't be difficult, because wherever I'll show you the formula. Area of triangle ABD, half. Write down the usual formula that you know, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Close the bracket. Now 1 and 2 are okay, because we are dealing with A, B, but there is a D involved, and D coordinates are x4, y4. So there is no 3. So wherever there is 3, change it to 4. All the places, if there is x3, change it to x4. If there is y3, change it to y4. That's all. Now we need to just substitute. Half. What is x1? x1 is 4. y2 y2 is here, minus 2 minus y4, which is 0, plus x2, which is 3, and y4, which is 0, minus y1, which is minus 6, so that will become positive 6, close the bracket, plus x4, which is 4, y1, which is minus 6, minus y2, which is negative 2, so that will become positive 2, close the brackets, and let's see what we get. Minus 2 minus 0 gives us minus 2, minus 2 into 4 gives us negative 8, 3 plus 6, 3 into 6 gives us 18, positive 18, minus 6 plus 4 gives us negative 4, negative 4 into positive 4 gives us negative 16, and so minus 8 plus 18 gives us positive 10, positive 10 minus 16 will give us negative 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, that gives us negative 3 square units. Now remember, area cannot be negative, so we are only taking the numerical value, we are only bothered about the numerical value, because we are not interested in finding actually the area. We are just interested in proving this point, which says a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So for now, this we have done for ABD. We have to find ACD. Even for ACD, if we find minus 3 square units, you just ignore minus 3, and can just write here numerically, because that's the value which we take. We are not interested in what area we are getting by solving this thing, but we are interested in matching the area that we are getting of the two triangles. So we'll take over here area of triangle ACD, and once again we write the same formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 now brackets here, y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now once again, if you have a look, there is A which has x1 y1, so 1 remains, fine. There is C which is x3 y3, so this time the 3 remains, everywhere there is 3, and we have D which is 4, which is not over here, but there is x2 y2 involved. So wherever there is this is 2, wherever there is 2, we need to change it to 3, and 3 changes to 4. So we change this to 3, and 3 changes to 4, to 4, and 2 to 3. So wherever there is 2, I've changed it to 3, and wherever there was 3, I've changed it to 4. Now you should get the right thing. So now we substitute the value over here for x1, y3 and y4. x1 is 4 into y3, which is 2, minus y4 which is 0 plus x3 which is 5, y4 which is 0 minus y1 which is minus 6, so that will be positive 6, plus x4 is 4, y1 which is negative 6 minus y3 which is positive 2, so it will become negative 2. Close the brackets. Solve the remaining over here. So 2 minus 0 gives us 2, 2 into 4 is 8. So we put over here equal, so I'll put over here area of triangle ACD equal to half. That would be 8 first, followed by 5 into 6 is 30, positive 30. And here you have minus 6 and minus 2 giving us minus 8. Minus 8 into 4 gives us negative 32. So 30 minus 32 gives us negative 2, negative 2 and 8 gives us half into 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and we get 3 square units. Okay, so that area is correct. So once again I told you not to take the negative 3 because areas are not negative in nature. So we have taken positive 3 square units over here, and that is why it is written negative 3 square units numerically only, which shows that we are only going to take positive 3 square units. So then we can say that therefore area of triangle ADB, or rather ABD, is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay, and hence median of triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So that's how we verify this proof. With this we complete our chapter on coordinate geometry. If you like watching this video, please click the like button. Please share not only just this video but other videos that you have liked with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.